Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what has arrived from AliExpress. I have ordered a grille protector for my Kawasaki ER6N, and this is the package and actually the item itself. This is the box you will receive. You'll get, I have already unpacked it because I couldn't wait to see it, but this is it. Give me a second, we don't need the box anymore. Came well protected. This is the grille. It's pretty cool. It has an ER6N marking. This is the back side. It looks like it is made out of aluminum, and I believe that there were some color options available. Later on I'll leave a link to the item in the description, and if the link expires I'm just gonna leave the title of the item so you can Google it at any time or search it in AliExpress and find it. I was surprised that it is pretty thick, but not heavy at all. Let's see how it looks on the bike. We're not going to install it today. We're going to leave this for another time. Today we're just going to take a look how this looks. Look at my grille and why I have ordered this. You can see that there are a lot of kind of hits from road debris. There are also a lot of bugs. I need to clean them, and then I'm going to install this thing. Here is how it will fit. Let's adjust it to the bolts. There are two bolts up and one down. With one hand, this is the best I can do. This is how it will look. Looks pretty cool. Much cleaner. And it's better for the radiator of your motorcycle. It will not disturb any airflow, and it will protect it. That's a lot of bugs. It has to be attached on the top, and there's a little knob here. Alright guys, I hope that you found this to be interesting, and I'll see you around in the next unboxing. See ya!